All right, that's the main floor. Let's check out the basement. I got a little surprise for you. Okay guys, we're in the basement. The reason I wanted to show you this, obviously it's unfinished, but it's primed and ready for your quarantine project. The ceiling height, I'm usually close to hitting my head on some bulkheads or something like that. The duct run is right in the middle under this beautiful huge beam that's holding the house up. The foundation is a poured concrete foundation, not a cinder block wall. We've got sump pit and pump installed to keep it nice and dry down here. It's got everything you need to add a crazy amount of equity during these crazy times. Look at the panel, brand new, tons of room. You can do whatever you want. Follow me. Furnace, super clean, high efficient, nothing to do here. It's only 5 years old. This looks like a trim board here. It's actually not. See the new concrete around the edge? That means we've got all new drain tile around the base of this foundation to keep all the water out. It's a beautiful thing. It's all done for you. You know, one thing I like to see finished in a basement, if there's nothing else finished, is the bathroom. That's right. Because even when you're doing construction, you still gotta go